Alright, I'm John 5XR, and today we're going to do some epic off-road riding with the Honda Monkey here at my parents' place, which are trails and 5 acres of land here in Central Florida, and it's all sugar sand, so it's pretty extreme, it's pretty hard to ride in, but it's a lot of fun. So here's a little montage of me and my son Rennen riding, and let's see what's going on. Here he comes. Not too good. He likes going into the trees for some reason. Alright, so hope you enjoy. Alright, we're starting here?
Yeah.
Straight through, first turn?
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2.
Ha! Wasted them. Does he make it? He got it. Make him think I flub up here in the shortcut. Oh, he went by me. He didn't even take the shortcut. Now's the part you gotta watch, because here's where they'll override, ride over their heads. So. Soon though, he's going to start making me ride over my head. Shut it off. Turn it back on. Messed up, I got him. Does he make it? Does he make it? Oh! Hey! What the heck? Taking shortcut right now. Don't flub up. What?
You need to go behind now.
I know, look at that, I fell.
Yeah, Mama has the most grip.
It has the most grip?
Yeah.
Looks like it today. Yeah. All right, what do we do? Start over? Okay. From right here? Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! So we did some epic riding here at the Sugar Sand Factory. I guess that's what we'll call it, right?
Yeah.
The Sugar Sand Factory. So we rode the Sugar Sand Factory at my parents' house.
Or we should call it Send It Daddy.
Send It Daddy Land because I fell again. Yeah.
He sended it.
I sended it and fell. No, I didn't send it and fall. I was waiting for you and I turned around and then I just fell waiting for you.
Yeah.
So
We should call it Send It Winnie because I sended it.
send it, Rennie. You do send it. You're crazy. I can't send it like you. I'm too old. So anyways, we decided to take the monkey and go a little crazy with it today, which is good because we don't often do that with the monkey. So, uh-oh, there's Mickey.
Yeah, I drank.
That's my parents' cockatoo, so I now have to finish this at our house because he will not stop screaming, right?
Oh, bug.
Yeah, all right.